One cold morning, a lonely puppy sat shivering by a pond, but what happened next will warm your heart. The little pup had been abandoned, too small to fend for himself. He wandered aimlessly, hoping someone would notice. Just when he was about to give up, a curious duck waddled up, tilting its head as if to say, "Follow me." The duck led the pup to the water's edge, sharing crumbs from nearby visitors. Over time, the two became inseparable, playing, napping, and exploring together. The once fragile puppy grew stronger, his tail wagging happily alongside his feathered friend. Now they roam the park side by side, drawing smiles from everyone who sees them. Who knew friendship could bloom between the most unlikely pair? If you believe every animal deserves a friend like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.